My name is James Hoffer, and I manage the Foodbanks urban garden. We have a very large urban garden that we use a lot of compost in. We deal with food waste. So what better way to eliminate the need to purchase compost, to haul compost in, than to utilize a resource that we already have and make it ourselves.
You know, here in Montgomery County, we average about between 20 to 30% of food that is wasted and goes into our landfill. Well, it doesn't need to go into the landfill. We need it to go into composting.
The EarthFlow is an in-vessel composting system that has been in the marketplace for about 10 years now. The idea is that the system, like an earthworm, moves the compost through itself so that you can always add feedstocks on one end and then you're pulling product out of the other end of the vessel. The EarthFlow has several things that make it really unique. One of them is the accessibility of the compost. There's a lot of composting vessels on the market that are basically a black box. Once your compost goes in, you can't really know what's going on until it comes out the other end. The EarthFlow gives you a lot of flexibility. If something isn't quite right, you can tweak your recipe, you can move things around, pull product out whenever you want. What's great about this project is that it's being done in such an outward-facing way, that it's not just about composting one vessel in one location, but that it's really creating the opportunity for people to see what's possible.
The system will create a nutrient-dense compost product for the Foodbanks raised gardens and allow us to grow even more chemical-free produce.
The first installation of a composting vessel system at a food bank in all of the United States. So that is very important.
So far, we've loaded about 7,000 pounds of food in it, which for us is huge because otherwise that would be going literally to our dumpster and off to a landfill. Everybody that comes through here gets to see that food waste composting isn't this big dirty mess that everybody thinks it is. Kids that come through here, they get to see what this process is and what the benefit is in our gardens.